So we start off with someone who got a bob haircut, absolutely gorgeous, classic, simple bob, followed by this gorgeous structured bob. This one features beautiful bangs in the front. Such a chic, modern bob style. I absolutely love this haircut. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trend style ideas. Today's video will feature a variety of haircut and hairstyle transformations, so if you have been dreaming up a new style, this video is for you. Here we have someone with gorgeous curly wavy hair. Wow, absolutely stunning lob. I love her hair texture mixed with the color. Absolutely gorgeous. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Loving this beautiful blonde Pixie makeover. Absolutely gorgeous cut and color combo. And then we see one of the hottest trends, and that is a modern mullet. I love how she is rocking like the bleached brow trend as well. This is such a rocker chic style. And then we have another transformation. So she ended up going darker with this tousled bob. Beautiful. And then we have the contrasting hair color trend in the form of a bob, followed by another gorgeous bob transformation. Next up, we have one of my favorite hairstylists. Looks like she's going to be doing the layered hair trend. Beautiful curtain bangs in the front, gorgeous layers throughout. And then here we have a beautiful undercut style. I love how this features a pop of purple going there on the side by the bangs. Now this is already an edgy haircut, but I think the purple really just elevates it. And then we see another hair transformation. Another beautiful bob haircut. Nice, simple, and chic. So next up, there is my favorite stylist once again, and it looks like she's doing another layered haircut. So as you guys already know, next to the bob and the pixie, the layered haircuts are also trending in 2023. Beautiful face framing highlights, gorgeous layered cuts. And then we see another beautiful bob style. Followed by an ash blonde bob. This to me really looks like a toss-up between ash blonde and platinum. Gorgeous color. Then we have another bob haircut. This is a bit of a longer bob. There's the before, and there is the after. Absolutely gorgeous. It's amazing how much volume she has after the cut. Then we have another long to short transformation. Looks like more of that Pixie bob style. Very nice. Then we have a salt and pepper hair transformation. So far it looks like he's going to be doing more of a bob with this one. Beautiful. And he did a nice layered bob. I'm loving the bangs. This is absolutely stunning. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. And of course, check out this video if you want to see even more hot hair trends.